Hello, welcome to Mama Naija's Christmas Decor Show 2020. Please come on in, family and friends, my dear followers, come on in and let's kick off the show. Hi, precious little one. My Santa Heifer. Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Say hi to everyone out there and wish them a very Merry Christmas.
Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to the world. Merry Christmas to family and friends. As we showcase Christmas Decor 2020. Please join in with us. We are inviting you to Mama Naija Christmas Decor. We're going to take you around to show you a variety of ways that you can decorate for the Christmas to create that warm, cozy feeling, that you really need. That closeness, that feeling that you want to generate among family and friends and your well-wisher that will drop by in your home during the holiday season. So, you are welcome. Please grab a chair, take a seat, and enjoy yourself. Have fun. And also, we want you to share some ideas. These are my creative ideas that I have used. I'm sharing it, and I would like to also learn from one or two things, from the ideas that you will share on the page. So your comments are valuable, and we do welcome your comments. So as you can see, the stair rails is decorated with wreaths. I do have very patterned, colorful wreaths mixed in with just a single plain wreath without any ribbons or ornaments to it. You also have, if you have a lounge in your home, that is a way that you can decorate, your lounge, your stair rails, in your own very abode. The beautiful thing about it is you can actually turn off the lights and it creates that very Christmassy ambience, for your family, setting the mood for that Christmas decoration. Having cinnamon toasting in the oven, having cookies baking in the oven, having Christmas melodies in the background. A journey to my motherland, my natural heritage. Of course, you have the African drum in itself. This drum has been in my family for a very long time. And every member of this family has enjoyed and perhaps danced or sang to the sound of this African drum. So here it is. And also, circumference that you have the African artifacts, representing family once again, a male and a female, father and mother, coming together to create that perfect union, which is the center of the home. So, I salute to my brothers and sisters, my African heritage. I salute everyone. Woo! Hey, this is called Christmas. Africa. a great Christmas celebration. Please continue to join in with us. This is just the beginning. There is more to come. Right, Joella?
Yes.
All right. Woo! And of course, the wreath display continues down the stairs. We have the foyer table, and on top of that, Christmas accentuated mats to capture, the essence of Christmas decor. And considering the times that we are in, you always want to keep safety first. When you have guests coming into your house, you want to make this readily available, so that they can quickly perform hand hygiene and hand sanitizer, and also welcome them to use a pair of gloves. So we'll continue, and you can see the columns. The columns again is decked from the top to the bottom with ribbons, and of course at the very top is a beautiful, beautiful, very vibrant, colorful, a drop down cone shape, wreath, to capture the beauty and essence at the very top of it. So your family room, your Christmas decor does not necessarily have to be, very crowded. No. You want to make it classy. It needs to speak to you as a person, so that it is who you are. It is a representative of who you are, what appeals to you in life. So this is the family living area, the living room. As you can see, there is nothing really much in terms of Christmas decor, but there is a wreath on the door, and of course you have the two cones, red and gold, and a candle right here to capture again the essence of Christmas. You can see the nativity. The nativity is actually the integral core of the Christmas celebration. The classic decoration, this is a different flavor or a type of a Christmas tree. It's just having that variety to spice it all up. It's all about spicing it up, tuning it to your taste. That is what counts. If you recall, those of you that have had the opportunity to watch one of my video recordings that I actually posted on how to set up a Christmas tree. So if you've watched that video, you will remember that this is the very flocked, snowy Christmas tree that we put together that day. And it was a beautiful experience. So setting up for Christmas, decorating for Christmas is a family affair. You want to get your children involved, your grandchildren involved in it, so that everybody can have that momentous fun that they will always remember. For a Christmas tree, you have a variety of ornaments. The various colors, various objects and artifacts, just to represent your taste and interests. Having a train at the bottom of a Christmas tree has always been my childhood fantasy. And this year, thank God, I was able to fulfill that fantasy. Yes, I will say yes, I admit to it. I am a child at heart, okay? When it comes to Christmas, everybody is a child at heart. My granddaughter, Joella here, she's gonna turn it on so that we can enjoy the melody from the Christmas train. another very centered area in your family home. So at Mama's Naija Kitchen, we're going to give you a display of a Christmas dining setup. Okay, it is very simple, throwing one or two things in there, nothing sophisticated, but yet very tasteful and classy. How do you set up a Christmas dining table, to actually commemorate, the season, the celebration? This is a very simple, yet tasteful and classy setup. So I've had this China, dishes for quite some long time now. Those are things that as ladies we love to buy and just put in our China cabinet, so that when the occasion arises, you have it right there, you pull it out, and voila, you have a beautiful setting. Gold and red alternating with the white dishes and with the emblem of the Christmas flowers, the Christmas plants. Get a family involved. Get everyone involved. It's a team effort, and there is joy in teamwork. So a family that works together, eats together, and laugh together. Get some candles of any sizes. Turn that on before your guests start to arrive in a spectacular way. Oh, the table runner, of course. I am using the red table runner. This table runner, I love it because it does have gold and the Merry Christmas, which of course you are not seeing right now, because I do have setting there. So it is very beautiful for you to use just as a plain display on your table. It captures the beauty and the essence of Christmas. Come with me, viewers of Mama Naija Kitchen. I just want to take you outside again to your backyard, how you can put that spectacular touch of Christmas accentuation, to celebrate the holiday season. The weather is actually very, very cooperative today. I can't believe I am right out here without any jacket on, and I have a very short blouse on, and I am actually not feeling cold. So hey, thank you, Lord. So as you can see on the deck, you do have the lights, you have the garlands and the ribbon. And the grand finale, the lovely, lovely 12 feet Christmas tree, fully decked with ornaments of every color you can think of: white, snow, gold, green, sequins. It is absolutely breathtaking. And there is a symbol of church. I always like to represent my faith when it comes to the holiday season celebration. Jesus Christ came to us as a gift. So that is why during the holiday season, specifically Christmas, there is a lot of gift exchange, to celebrate the occasion. So we do have some gift boxes here at the bottom of the tree. The plan is to have a star on it the night before Christmas. So I hope that this brings joy, hope, faith, belief to your home, just as it did to mine.